Since 1936, millions of cars have been kept on the road by VEGE in Spijkenisse near Rotterdam because they have a VEGE remanufactured product under the bonnet. After arrival in the factory, all old exchange parts are sorted by make and model and dismantled in series. They are then checked for wear and damage. With a capacity of 7,000 kilograms at a time, cast iron core, including engine blocks and cylinder heads, are cleaned by baking at very high temperatures to remove all unwanted deposits. Aluminium products are shot blasted with a special medium to return them to their original, pristine finish. The remanufacturing process starts with the checking of each part for possible reusability. Pressure testing is done to reveal cracks. During the whole process of machining, dimensions are continuously checked. After thorough cleaning, the engine block is ready to be reassembled with the other parts. The crankshaft is the pivot of the whole engine. This vital component is ground to the correct undersize and polished to a precise finish. Specific internal parts subject to wear and tear are always replaced by new. These new parts are also thoroughly inspected before use. In another department of the factory, cylinder heads are remanufactured. Cylinder heads too undergo a special pre-treatment. The remanufacturing process starts with careful checking for cracks. Where necessary, they're milled, cleaned and repaired to new condition. The most complicated part of the engine is the cylinder head, especially in case of multi-valve types. By using computer-controlled machines, VEGE is able to guarantee a consistent, high quality. Camshafts are ground in such a way that the cam profile is exactly the same as the OE specifications. Tappets are machined by a system specially developed by VEGE. The surface is ground to a convex shape to minimize wear in operation and checked. Valve springs are separately checked and the information is filed in the VEGE database. The VEGE cylinder head is carefully assembled completely in one operation in order to minimize the risk of installation failures. After final checks, the cylinder head is packed securely and added to the computerized stock. It's then available for delivery to any client across Europe. If certain types of cylinder head are not yet in the VEGE program, then new heads can be produced on site. When all remanufactured and new components are available, the assembly of the engine can begin. Before the engine leaves the factory, every engine is hot run tested under its own power. As well as engines and cylinder heads, VEGE also supplies remanufactured turbos for most makes of vehicles. Turbos are thoroughly cleaned, provided with a standard package of new parts, and then tested. As well as the main engine parts, smaller components are also remanufactured, including fuel injection pumps. They will only leave the factory after an extensive inspection and test. VEGE, very flexible, whether you order one single engine type or many from our yearly output of 140,000 products. Supplied from stock at very competitive prices and covered by our full warranty across the complete range. VEGE remanufactured products. Fit the best, fit VEGE.